gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Meet the upcoming Vivo X Fold 6, and wow, the first thing that grabs your attention is its premium eyebrow color design. It instantly feels like a true flagship. The rounded edges and slim body also make it surprisingly comfortable to hold. But the real surprise isn't the design, it's productivity.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
The new Atomic Workbench completely changes how multitasking works on a foldable. I didn't expect using multiple apps to feel this natural. The system offers two modes, serial mode and parallel mode. In serial mode, up to 5 tasks can stay on one screen at once. Multiple apps remain visible without feeling cluttered. It's perfect for keeping important information open while quickly checking other apps. Rotate the phone to landscape and the interface automatically rearranges itself. That attention to detail is impressive. Switching modes is just as smart. Fold the phone and serial mode becomes parallel mode instantly, moving smoothly between 5-window and 4-window layouts. 4 apps stay open together, so you never need to keep reopening pages. I can join a meeting, take notes, manage documents, and chat on WeChat, all on one display. Everything happens without interruption. And it goes beyond work. I can browse Xiaohongshu, edit photos, and pick images from my gallery at the same time. Windows can be resized dynamically, rotated, or swapped with a tap. 3-finger and 4-finger gestures make changing layouts incredibly fast. It strikes a perfect balance between immersive productivity and quick app access. Here's where it gets even smarter. The system learns your habits. Frequently used app combinations are saved automatically, so your favorite workspace opens instantly. The AI drag and drop feature is another game changer. Drag a table or image and it becomes an editable spreadsheet. Drag a business card and it creates a contact automatically. These little AI tricks can save a lot of time. The AI meeting assistant is equally impressive. It transcribes conversations, identifies different speakers, summarizes key points, and creates organized meeting notes. It even recognizes professional terms and offers multiple translation options. Another standout feature is the industry's first AI document manager. It intelligently renames messy files, creates summaries, and turns related documents into simple one-line descriptions. There's even a dedicated widget on the home screen for instant access. Overall, Vivo has combined powerful multitasking with intelligent AI tools to push foldable productivity to another level. Once you experience this workflow, going back to a traditional smartphone setup won't be easy.